Hi everyone, Attorney Aaron from Indiana. I have a new video for you guys. Let's get started here.
Good morning. Are you Ryan Featherstone?
Yes, I am.
All right, this is Judge Middleton. I'm here at the courthouse. We did this a little early today. Usually we don't do them until the afternoon. But I saw when I logged in this morning that you'd gotten arrested over the weekend. This is two cases, the matter of people's Ryan James Featherstone, file 221407 and 1507-1508. The public defender, Jeanette Jackson, is here with us. I asked her to stick around for this. You got a ticket on July 29th for driving without a valid license and having an unregistered vehicle. Those are both misdemeanors. This ticket was issued on Monroe Street at Chicago Road in the city of Sturgis.
It was a bicycle. He pulled me over on a bicycle, sir.
Yeah, it says mini motorized chopper.
Yes.
Ryan has been stopped many times in Sturgis in reference to motorbikes on the road is not valid.
I just put this bike together. He didn't even give me a warning. He didn't even give me 10 days to get it legal. He didn't give me nothing. He didn't give me anything. He just took.
Folks, this defendant is really messing up here. You do not interrupt a judge. You do not talk and raise your voice to a judge. He's setting himself up for contempt of court, or at the very least, the judge is going to be upset for his disrespect and lack of respect to the court. Not a good start.
Well, your problem is you didn't show up.
I don't have a vehicle. I'm sorry. I do now. I have transportation now. I didn't have transportation at the time to get here, and it was the day.
Well, that means you just don't come.
Well, no. I mean,
Stop. Let me talk, and then I'll give you a chance to talk. I'm trying to decide whether to leave you in jail or let you out. So my suggestion is you be polite and respectful.
I am. I apologize.
Be in jail for about 10 days till we have a pretrial. You got these two tickets, no operator's license, and operating a vehicle on a roadway. It was set for an arraignment, and you didn't show up. So
yeah, because it was below freezing and it was snowing outside.
Well, this was back in the summer. You got arrested in December on the warrant. Apparently they submitted it for a warrant. You got arraigned at the jail. You posted a bond, a PR bond. And they let you out of jail and they set a pretrial conference. You didn't come for the pretrial conference. So I did an order to show cause you to come in here.
I tried to make it, sir. I tried my damnedest to make it. It was below freezing. It was snowing outside the day I had court. I was just not able to make it. And I even called up here and then she said, well, I'm sorry, you have to come here regardless. And I tried to, and I couldn't make it.
How did you get arrested this weekend?
Oh, I was bringing clothes, or I was bringing food back from the store for my mom because I'm taking care of my mom.
All right. Did you?
And he pulled me over, riding my bicycle.
All right. You were on a regular bicycle?
Yeah. I mean, it had the two-stroke motor on it. It's underneath 49 cc's. I don't need a license to drive it in the state of Michigan.
Well, that's a dispute between you and the prosecutor. So were you on the motorcycle, this bike again when you got arrested last night?
No, they still have my chopper in the pound. They still got my bicycle in the pound, which it's a regular bicycle with a fucking two-stroke motor on it. I'm pardon my French, a two-stroke motor on it.
All right. How did you get arrested last night?
Last night, I was on my bicycle. He seen me carrying a trailer full of food, and he pulled me over.
All right. So you're on your bike. All right. Now, are you still at North Prospect Street?
Yep. Still taking care of my mom.
All right, here are my options. I can leave you in jail in lieu of your bond until I get back from a trip and they finish working on my courtroom. Or I can let you out with the understanding that you'll show up this time and
Yes.
you can meet with the city attorney and discuss this. I'll give you bus passes if you need them.
I would appreciate the bus passes more than anything, because my bicycle, my legs don't, and my condition, my accident condition I was in, it doesn't really go good with me walking.
All right, well, I'm going to set not guilty.
Here, the judge is obviously giving some grace to the defendant. Judge Middleton is always even tempered, even keel, so it doesn't surprise me at all. But luckily, even dropping the F-bomb and raising his voice did not cause him to stay in jail, or it doesn't appear that he's going to be forced to stay in jail. So good for the judge here. Hopefully we can finish this up with this defendant being released.
I'm going to show you plead not guilty. I gave you 2 chances to be here. One was the pretrial. You didn't show up. Rather than issue a bench warrant then, I did an order to show cause, and you didn't show up for that. That's when I issued the warrant.
Right.
So I'm going to show you pleading not guilty. I'll set a pretrial with Sturgis City Attorney for March 1st, 2023. I'm going to find you're in contempt for failing to appear.
I'm sorry for that, sir. It's just been really hard out here lately.
Yeah, I understand. People are struggling.
Struggling ain't the word for it.
If we could get you in here, we could get this resolved. 1 day credit, 1 day.
All right.
2, 1, 5, 0, 8, and 7 OT. And no fine. Today's the 13th. All right, I'm gonna set the bonds. That'll be at 8:30.
I appreciate you giving me another PR bond and another chance. I really appreciate that.
All right, well, you're probably gonna lose this fight because the impound is probably gonna exceed.
Oh, they already tried getting my bike back. They won't give it back to me. The cops even told me that I can get that they would release a paper saying I can get it back, and they won't even give it back to me. They said it's gone already. Somebody done stole my bike. So like, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I don't know anything about that. Now, when you get out of jail here in a half an hour, are you gonna have a ride back to Sturgis?
No, I'm gonna call my mom and have her husband come get me.
All right, then you come get it. All right, if you need bus passes, have him come up here to the courthouse.
Okay.
I'll give you some bus passes to get here on the 1st of March. All right.
I'll do that instead. I'll go up to the courthouse after I leave here.
All right, credit 1 day. $250 PR bond per file. And I'm letting you out on your representation that you'll be here
Yes.
at 8:30 on March 1st for a pretrial.
Yes, because there ain't gonna be no more snow, so I'm pretty sure I'll be all right.
All right. All right. I'll see you on March 1st.
Thank you.
Well done, Judge. Finished up here and giving this guy another chance. Hope that he shows up for court. Obviously, those who live in Indiana and Michigan know that we could have snow here on the 1st of March, so I don't know why he's assuming there's no snow for sure, but we'll see. We'll stay in touch on this case and see how this shakes out. Thank you.